Hey everyone, it's Lissette here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So in this video, I am going to be talking about this 12 color polygel nail kit, and this is by a company called Ohuhu. And I've actually used one of their kits before, and just to let you guys know, this thing is like massive. Like look at the size of my hand compared to it. But I was really loving their polygel kits before, so I'm excited to actually try this one. And with this one, I'm actually gonna open it right now. Okay, so this one is, they're all like bright neon colors, which I am loving. It has like all the different colors of shades of the rainbow. So of course you get your regular manual on how to use it, how to prepare your nail. These are all of the colors that comes inside this kit. And what I love about this kit is not only do they give you 12 polygel colors, they give you the nail file, the brush, a cuticle pusher with the little scraper on the other end. They give you some nail clippers, cuticle clippers, as well as 4 different colors of glitter. They give you the forms, top coat, base coat, slip solution. So this is basically all you need to do your nails, and I just love that they included everything in this kit. And you can get this on Amazon, and of course I am going to link everything below, but I want to get to these polygel colors, and I'm going to do a quick swatch of them on a little card and show you guys how they look. Alright guys, so these are all of the colors. How pretty. So when I do my swatches, I like to scrape it a little because it just helps me figure out how pigmented they are. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then number 12 is a clear. I did have a little bit of color left over from one of these colors, and that's why it just looks like a little, you know, pink there, but this is a very clear color. So I'm loving all of them. They look really nice, like that rainbow color. I kind of wanted to challenge myself to see if I can use all of these colors in a set. So let's see if that'll happen. So yeah, let's get started. So I actually almost forgot to show you, these are the glitter colors that comes with the kit, and they are really pretty. So these two are just a regular, this is like a purpley blue color, where this is more of like a pink color. But then these two are hollow glitters, which is this green, and then there's like a blue. I don't know if you could tell, but they're so hollow. They kind of look similar on camera. You could see right here when I turn it to the side. This is more of a green, and then this is a blue hollow. So I am going to try to incorporate these in the nails. I have no idea what I'm going to do, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, so I've already prepped my nails. I got my solution. These are coffin tips. I will leave these in the description. I ended up using these instead of the dual forms. So I think I'm going to go with, there's a design that I sold by Tony's Nails, and it was a rainbow design, and it was like a color blocked design. So that's what I'm gonna go for. I am going to be using this thing because I'm not sure if it's going to help me make the lines straight. But we'll see. And of course, you would normally, let me just put this down. You would normally go in with your base coat first, cure it for 60 seconds, and then you will start going in with the polygel. But since this is a fake hand, you know, I'm gonna skip all of that and just go straight in with the polygel. So as I was doing this, I was taking small amounts of color at a time. I was not trying to build up the product at all. I just wanted to make sure that the pigment and color was there, and making sure using that X-Acto knife to get a straight, crisp line. And then I did cure it, and I moved on to the next color. Now, In certain places, I did use a nail file to sharpen that edge, but majority of the time I didn't really have to, because that X-Acto knife pretty much, you know, like it made things a lot easier using it. But I did make sure, like I said, I cured it for at least 30 seconds, and then I went on to the next color. So as I was doing it, I kind of wanted to make sure that the colors did move on one to the next, one to the next. So I didn't want the pinky just to be all like the reds and oranges. So what I ended up doing after this orange color, when I added the yellow, I did add that yellow on the next nail, so it was more cohesive and consistent, and it just looked like it flowed better, if that makes any kind of sense. But I am going to let you watch, and please make sure you stay to the end, because there is a little something for you guys in the end of this video. For this section of the nail, I ended up taking that clear PolyGel and mixing in that glitter, and that's what I ended up using for this row. And I also do it to the blue sections. When I get up to it, you're gonna see me mixing the blue glitter with clear PolyGel, and then I think I do it again for the pink color. Flash cure it, file it, and these are the ones that I really had to file because like there was like jagged edges sticking up. But yeah, I just continued the same process throughout all of the nails. Now this didn't take me long at all. I thought it was going to take me maybe like 3-4 hours max, but it literally only took me, it was like less than 2 hours. I did stop a couple times but yeah, it didn't take that long to do this, and I thought it came out really cute. Now that I got all of my color down, I'm going in with some clear PolyGel, and I'm going to start encapsulating all of these nails. And this is where I really start focusing on the apex and the thickness of the nails, because remember, I just did thin layers of all of the colors. I wasn't really focusing on the apex. But like I said, once I apply all of the clear to all of the nails, I cure it for a full 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe, removing that sticky layer. And then I'm going in with the hand file that came with the kit. I believe this is a 180 grit hand file. And I'm starting to file the side walls, the free edge straight, and then all over the surface, making sure there is no lumps and bumps. From there, I'm going in with my fine taper drill bit. Y'all know I love my fine taper drill bit. And I'm going in all over the surface, around that cuticle area. And I'm really just refining that shape. And I am using this bit at 13,000 RPM. After that, I'm going in with my white buffing block and buffing over the surface smooth, removing any scratches that might have been left behind by either the drill or the hand file. Now this practice hand collects a lot of dust and it is hard to remove, so I ended up drenching it in some alcohol and then wiping it clean. Now this is where I'm going in with some top coat, and I was so in love with it, but going in with the top coat, adding a thin layer and then curing it for a full 60 seconds. And this is what they look like. I think they came out so cute. I was so happy with them myself, and I was so afraid to try to use all of the colors. But mind you, not only did I use all the colors, but I used 3 of the 4 glitters. I couldn't really fit that other glitter. But let me know what you guys think of this set. I'm like so in love with it. So if you guys watched this whole video up until this point, thank you so much for supporting me and sticking with my channel. If you're not subscribed, please go do so now. What are y'all waiting for? But I am happy to say that this is a giveaway video. So thank you, Ohuhu, for partnering with me on this and supporting my channel. Unfortunately, Ohuhu is only able to ship it to the USA, so this is a USA giveaway only. But instead of 1 winner, and not only 2, but 3 winners will be picked for this giveaway. So once again, thank you to Ohuhu for sponsoring this video, as well as giving 3 lucky people a chance to win this kit. So of course, with any giveaway, there are rules. 1, you need to be following myself as well as Ohuhu's YouTube channel, as well as our Instagram accounts. And then comment down below where you're from, as well as your Instagram name, because this is where I will be posting the winner, as well as contacting those individuals. I am going to leave all of the information for this giveaway down below, as well as when I am going to be picking the winners. But I do have a link to this kit, as well as a 15% off promo code, so I am going to leave that in the description box as well. As always, thank you everyone for taking the time out to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.